So don't tell me you are still struggling with your material because you want to tie gele. That's not allowed in my generation. Yes, it is not allowed in my generation. So get your rubber band, get your material, get your office pin. Let's try this one out today, and you're gonna be learning more of it. Very simple styles. When I say simple, I mean simple that you can do yourself. So focus your eyes here. You see, I've made use of my rubber band. The measurement is 50-50. I divided it into two equal parts, and I use my rubber band to grab it at the middle to separate it into two equal parts. Sorry, you see that I take it to the back, then I'm gonna cover that middle up. Yes, you cover it up, and we're going to be working with the first parts that we have left over. We're going to pleat it right before placing it on your head. Pleat it before placing it on your head. Okay, so you try to adjust and get them aligned. When you are done with that, you're going to dip it into that rubber band that you still have there, the one you used to divide into two. Dip it into it and bring it out, and you do the same thing to the other parts, guys. So just focus your eyes and watch the way it is being done. Very, very simple. Very simple. So you can see how I'm doing it, dipping it into that place, guys. Then I turn the hand right to left and left to right. Hope you see that. So there is no magic. You bring the left to right and you take the right to the left. Then you pin it down. Just as seen, the first one here, I just pin it down. Then that one, I don't want it like that. Then I folded it in, which I'll be using my office pin to secure it. So I do take my time to explain, so that at least if you didn't see what I have done, at least you will hear me what I'm saying. So I've pinned it like that. I'm trying to adjust it. Try to adjust it. Then for the other part like that, just focus your eyes because I don't know how to put this. You see, you just take it to meet that one. I will be using my office pin to pin it. Yeah, to pin it. So guys, don't feel tying it is difficult. Once you grab your material and you are trying it out, you yourself, you see that this thing is becoming more beautiful, or it's coming out fine, then you go ahead with it. You see, I've pinned that one together as well, and this, you can see what I'm doing with it. Very simple, very, very simple. And before you know it, I'm done with this head wrap. You can see that it's already out. But you need plenty of pin, like 5-6 office pin to tie this head wrap. Then you adjust and you are done with this head wrap. Don't forget to like, share, let it reach more people who want to learn. Share, like, and don't forget to follow, subscribe for more. It's free. Just hit the button and boom, we are together in this family. So I'm done. So this is it. You can see the rubber. If you don't have a brown to cover the center, you can use the color of your material, but I have one here which I'll be adding to it, and that will add more touch, like beauty touch to it. And boom, I'm done. See me dancing. So yeah, I'm done with this head wrap. What do you think? Leave your comments. See you. Bye bye.